Welcome back. Oh, this is not conducive. Whatever. Y'all know what I look like. Got a package. I just really need to undo this because I have an order that I'm trying to ship. Oh gosh. Do I need to knife it? I think I need to knife it. Don't see my handy dandy box cutter. And please ignore the mess that is my background right now. I am in the process of rearranging my workspace. Low-key promoting this people brand, but you know, for all that I order from them, I'm not completely. Who the hell is Kathy? Okay, I guess that's who packed my order. I got new tape, Pointless Creates tape for my packages, because I learned that, well, I shouldn't say I learned. From out the gate, I learned that if I wanted to do a 2-day express, the USPS priority, it has to be in their packaging, but I can use whatever the hell tape I want. So if you've ordered from me in the past, thank you so much. But girl, you just in my face, in the way. That's much better. If you've ordered from me in the past, you've gotten a package and it had one of my Pointless Talks tapes, because I have Pointless Talks merch that I ship also, so I bought tape for that well before Pointless Creates was even a thing. I still have a lot of that tape, so I'm still using it, but I just got this in, and I figure since it's the holiday season, I might as well promote. So anything that I'm shipping out this holiday season, I'm using Pointless Creates tape, and I think I might continue to use the Pointless Talks tape until that runs out for the most part, and then switch to this, or just, you know, alternate between the two. We'll see. But anyways, we got Pointless Creates tape official out here, period. But yeah, let me go pack this up. I have somewhere to be. That's why I'm dressed like a human being. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Sorry, plants. I thought that was a bug, but it was dirt. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. I know you can't really see it here, but it's still Pointless Talks, your Caribbean podcast. Check out all of the unmoldings, all of the episodes. There are new episodes. Melissa, people still need help. People from affected by Hurricane Melissa. Sorry, wow. My brain is going faster than my mouth, or my mouth is going faster than my brain. One of them, they're not aligned. Either way, the people them who have been devastated by Hurricane Melissa, they still need help. So still, you know, send funds. Prayers are nice, but send funds, send resources. The people that need clothes, them need roof, them need zinc, them need wood, them need a whole bunch of things. So some of the proceeds from my sales during this time are going to that, because I have family in Jamaica still actively who have been affected. So yeah, check out All Things Pointless. And whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.